What's up, beautiful babes? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome to the channel. If this is the first time you're visiting, so happy to have you here. Go ahead, subscribe, and become part of my beautiful babe brigade. Y'all, today's video is all about getting in your daily greens. That's right, a very simple way to do that. Just drink this juice for glowing skin and weight loss. Let me tell you what you got here. So today, beautiful babes, we are juicing, as I said, and this is my green juice. You saw the title. So I have my Bella juicer right here. Yes, I do have two Bella juicers, and the way I ended up with two is that when Sears was going out of business, my husband, of course, you know, he'd be scrummaging at the stores, and they had the Bella juicer in the box ready to be sold, a really reduced price. We probably got them for less than half the price, and there was the one on display, so hence the label that you see right down here. This one was on display, and it was actually missing the little pusher thing here, and that's how I ended up with two of these. Actually, I do have three juicers. One of them is still relatively new, but it is a different brand, and I'll pop it out one day. I've used it probably one time. Okay, I have my bag on the back to catch all of the trash in the back that comes out after I complete juicing. I do have my pitcher here with ice because as I juice, I like for it to go ahead and be chilled as it goes so I can go ahead and drink it right away. I love that. All right, so today, y'all, this is what we are working with today. Everything has been thoroughly rinsed off and cleansed. As I mentioned to you all, I use either water or vinegar, or when I have it on hand, I use my organic fruit and vegetable wash. I'll have everything linked down below. And not only that, today we have a special edition. This is my Super Greens juice, and I want to add in, of course, my Super Greens, my Detox, however you pronounce it, high quality superfood blend. This is 8 powerful ingredients, including wheatgrass, barley grass, chlorella, spirulina, moringa, maca, camu, and baobab. So this is excellent for today's juicing, and we are ready to get started. I'm just going to go ahead and prep my apple and cut it in half. Everything has been washed off, and we are ready to go. So let me just tell you about all of these amazing benefits of each of these ingredients as I prepare each one of them, and let you know pretty much, again, you see how much I'm using of each basically, but I think I'm going to cut this cucumber in half here. I don't need all of that today, so let's get started. Now, the easiest way to enjoy a green juice is to drink it in the morning as part of your meal, at least an hour before or after your coffee, the acidity of which will negate the juice's alkalizing effects, and never with a cooked meal. Did you know that adding a green juice to your diet can actually speed up your metabolism and also help your body in burning more calories? They offer a host of vitamins and minerals that your body requires on a daily basis. But by using the right ingredients in your daily green juice recipes, you can reap the benefits of powerful vitamins and nutrients that can help you get glowing skin from the inside out. And fruits and vegetables are powerful detoxifiers. They can help clear the toxins from your body, reduce inflammation, and also clear up any skin issues. even acne. The great part about juicing is a fast and easy way to absorb nutrients. It'll increase your energy levels, improve your cognitive functions, you'll have glowing skin, and it gives your digestive system a little rest. Strong hair and nails are also a great result. Additional health benefits of consuming more produce than you'd normally eat raw. Now this will also help alkalize your body. Green juice is the best for that. Now let me just talk about the ingredients that we're using today. Celery juice. Celery, which is actually a great post-workout choice because it's a good source of natural organic sodium, which replaces the electrolytes you lose when you work up a sweat. We'll be taking 1 stalk of celery. Then we have cucumber juice, which is refreshing and a natural diuretic. All you'll need is half of a cucumber. Then we have kale juice because it's packed with B complex vitamins and minerals, which actually help you derive energy from other nutrients. All you need is about a handful of the kale. And then you want to sweeten it up a bit because you're probably going to need that in this particular juice. Take 1 green apple, or in my case, I prefer 2 or more. And then this is optional, but I am going to go ahead and use my Super Greens powder today. Since I'm serving it up for 2, I'm going to actually put in 2 teaspoons of the Super Greens powder. This is a blend of 8 superfoods bursting with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, chlorophyll, and so much more. It helps to protect cells from oxidative stress, supports your immune system while also boosting energy levels and metabolism. And just simply blend it all together. Now make sure, as I said earlier, wash your fruits and vegetables beforehand using either vinegar and water or any type of vegetable or produce wash. And if you're going to use the super greens, you'll mix this in after you've already juiced your produce. And then all you have to do is enjoy your juice. Yes. Now, this is an acquired taste for this one. It is not as sweet and yummy as some of the other ones, but the benefits are so great. And you'll just drink this one again once a day in the morning, at least an hour before you intake anything else. And just to recap, this will detoxify your body, improve your health, reduce hunger, rejuvenate your skin, and mental clarity. And what we all need in these days is to boost our immune system. Absolutely marvelous. Beautiful babes, I can honestly say you are going to enjoy juicing. If you've ever not tried this, y'all, it's time to start. I promise you, I'm a pretty energetic person, but now I feel so gut healthy. I mean, it's just a different kind of feeling, you know, not to be compacted with a lot of different foods in your stomach, and you've already intook exactly what you need for the day, and you're done basically. All you have to do is just, you know, nibble a little bit and you're good to go. Nutrients, vitamins, my energy is another level. My energy is at 10. It was at 9 before. It's at 10 or 10 and a half or beyond. It is so amazing. And for my digestive system to be on a great little systematic system, oh my gosh, it's so amazing. You're going to be amazed. And not to mention skin glowing, looking healthy. You know, beauty is really starting from within, and it works its way out. And I know that, and I fall off the bandwagon time and time again, but this time I'm so serious about it, and I want you to be too. So follow me on my weight loss journey. Also follow these videos with the juicing. You know, if you don't have a juicer, I do understand that. You know, you can actually grate these items, squeeze the juice out and take it the best way you can. You can use your blender, blend it all up. You can also drink the fiber. It does not matter. And y'all, the other thing is, we're going to be talking about this too. You know, juicing has a twofold process for me. Now, if I wasn't all dolled up, all of those nutrient fiber leftovers, honey, they would be in a mask. So we're going to talk about that as well. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. I certainly appreciate you hanging out with me all the time. And beautiful babes, listen, don't be a stranger. Stick and stay right here. The only way you can do that and to make sure you don't lose me is to subscribe and hit that bell. And each and every time I upload, you'll be one of the first to know. Wouldn't that be great? Now, look, I don't want to lose you either, so please do that. If you found today's video interesting, please rate it. I wish and hope and pray that that is a like. And beautiful babes, listen, don't just keep me to yourself. Make sure you keep on doing what you've been doing, and that is sharing me with your world. And I will for sure see you on the next video. And you know it won't be long, right? All right, happy juicing. Bye.